Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to find your saved posts on threads. Let's have a look. First, I would like to show you how to save a post. Open Threads. To save any post on Threads, tap three dots on top right corner of the post and tap Save. Now to find the saved posts, tap your profile picture icon on bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap two lines menu on top right. Then tap Saved. Here you will see all the posts you have saved on Threads. If you would like to unsave or remove post from saved, tap three dots on top right corner of the post. Then tap Unsave. That's it. These are the steps to save and unsave posts on Threads. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.